Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Thank you once again for spending time to watch our videos. Yeah, we are back to another video. One thing you have to understand is many people are still doubting if the government of Anambra State is actually serious in constructing the Nwagwagolo to Nnewi road dualization and construction, and Nnewi to Ozubulu Okija to Onitsha Owerri road dualization. Many are still doubting, in spite that the government has actually moving in Nnewi. Now we're going to look at the announcement in Ozubulu concerning that this week, finally, the bulldozing of illegal structures is starting in Ozubulu. By Wednesday or Thursday, things will start happening. That's exactly. Because, without actually wasting much time, we're going to listen to the announcement by the Ozubulu community to the people along these roads that things is beginning to get hot. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Remember to like and comment and share. Let's listen to the announcement. This is what is happening in Nnewi, because they have started in Nnewi already. But the people in Ozubulu are still hoping maybe a miracle somewhere that Soludo is not going to do anything, is not the job is not going to be done. But that's why the community is announcing that this week things are going to start happening. The announcement was made Tuesday, 19th of November 2024. So they have to look at what is starting to happen in Nnewi. And the construction company, their base for this work is in Ozubulu, Ekusigo local government. So they are just announcing because things are going to happen seriously there. It's going to get very hot. It's going to get very hot. It's also a lesson to many of our people that keep on building just in the middle of the road. So they don't give any space at all. They must, count their teeth with their tongue before it gets too late. They must change their ways, because our homeland cannot continue this way. We cannot be developing like this, like people that are not sensible. We cannot be creating urban ghettos. Things has to be done properly. I know that is because of lack of leadership over the years, because the town planners were there collecting money from these people. Where are the government? But it's not a good reason people should be defacing the whole place. Look at Nnewi, a great city, but completely defaced by all those shanties all over the place. Mess. Look very awkward. But thank God that finally Charles Chukwuma Soludo is walking the talk is now walking the talk and he mean business. And if he can aggressively, as he's doing in Ekulobia, in a Newi or Ozubulu or Kija, Azis or Agolo Newi, I'm telling you, the state will have a paradigm shift from underdevelopment into serious development. We are all hoping that he succeed. Let Charles Chukuma Soludo succeed. Let Anambra succeed. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. What's your opinion on this? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one, and God bless you. Bye.